Mr. Chairman, members of the committee, thank you for allowing me to testify today. For the record, my name is Matthew Murphy. I'm the Executive Director for the nonpartisan, nonprofit organization Citizens for a Strong New Hampshire, which is committed to accountable, limited government and a strong economy for the Granite State. I'm here to ask this committee to find Senate Bill 367 inexpedient to legislate. Our organization has consistently taken the position that increasing the gas tax would have a detrimental effect on Granite State families by increasing the cost for Granite Staters to commute to work, run errands, take a day trip with their families. However, it would also have an impact on the cost these families pay for goods and services that travel by motor transport, and as the consumer will have to foot the bill passed on to them by these small businesses. Several sponsors and supporters of this bill have stated that a family who travels 10,000 miles per year in a vehicle that gets 25 miles per gallon will only pay $16 more on 400 gallons purchased a year. However, the 10,000 miles per year figure is an unrealistic number. It does not take into account the realities that New Hampshire families face, such as households with 2 or more commuters who travel over 30 miles a day, because that's what that $16 increase is 30 miles a day or 192 miles per week, which is somebody who lives in Wyndham or commutes into Boston will tell you that's not the case. Based on the assumption that a family, the Federal Highway Administration estimates that the average driver between the ages of 20 to 54 travels 15,000 miles per year. With these more realistic numbers, that means a household with 2 drivers will drive an average of 30,000 miles per year, which would translate into this family consuming 12,000 gallons per year or spending $264 in fuel taxes. Now, in addition, consider the impact increasing the gas tax would have on commercial fleets for businesses that provide delivery services. If a business with a fleet of 5 vehicles travels 30,000 miles per year, which would not be doing a profitable delivery business, gets 25 miles per gallon, which most delivery vehicles don't get, the tax impact would be significantly more than the $16 increase. The sponsors suggested this. In fact, the average commercial vehicle uses about 20,000 gallons per year, which result in $4,400 in increased fuel taxes. Citizens for a Strong New Hampshire believes that instead of increasing the gas taxes proposed in Senate Bill 367, we suggest following the letter of RSA 9.9-B that capped the use of highway revenue for other spending at 27% and creating a 10-year highway plan that is realistic and can be achieved within our current fiscal restraints. The last thing Granite Staters need at this time is to pay higher taxes at a time when other financial burdens are increasing, such as health care and property taxes. We ask that you find this bill inexpedient to legislate and work towards a solution that understands what families across the state are doing, living within their means. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Murphy.